I got it all routed through the little hole. So all this, the computer and everything's in the car. The reason why I couldn't use the other computer and harness is because this is green blue connectors. Mine are red blue. The difference is green blue is drive-by-wire, which means the throttle body is electronic. You know, no cable. Mine is cable driven. So if I wanted to use that one, I'd have to get a new throttle body, a gas pedal from a car and all that. So I just got the right harness this time in the computer. I'll just resell that one. But comes up right through there, well away from the headers. And then yeah, looks better.